What are the signs that you notice when the liver starts failing? These are the signs that you notice. First of all, yellowing of your eyes and sometimes the palms, which is called jaundice. Jaundice occurs when there is buildup of bilirubin inside the human body. Bilirubin has to be conjugated by the liver so that it will be removed from the human body. So if the liver is being diseased or it starts failing, so they will be retained inside the human body. The second thing is abdominal pains. Now, this is as a result of the inflammation that happens on the liver. Once the liver is being diseased, there's inflammation. And once there's inflammation, there is pain. And most of the time, the pain is associated with the location where the liver is being found, because the liver is at the right upper quadrant. So once the liver is being inflamed, you experience pain at the right upper quadrant. The third sign is swelling. Most of the time, liver disease leads to you having abdominal distension and sometimes pedal swelling. And this abdominal distension is what we call ascites. So there will be buildup of fluid inside your abdomen and sometimes pedal swelling. The fourth sign is easy fatigability. You begin to experience exhaustion and fatigue easily. This is because it is the liver that stores excess glucose in the form of glycogen. So when your body needs glucose, it will be converted back from the glycogen to the glucose for you to get energy. However, when the liver is being diseased or when it starts failing, it is unable to store excess glucose in the form of glycogen for you to get energy when you are exhausted. So that will make you to start experiencing easy fatigability and sometimes weakness easily. The fifth sign is easy bruising or bleeding. Now, one thing you need to have it in mind is that it is the liver that helps produce certain kind of clotting factors, and these clotting factors helps with blood clotting. However, when the liver is being diseased, it's unable to produce these clotting factors. Hence, when you get a little cut, you will bleed and bleed and bleed. So that is also another sign of liver disease. The sixth sign is itchiness of your body. One thing you need to have it in mind is that it is the liver that helps detoxify the human body by breaking down certain toxic or harmful substances that enter the human body. Now, when the liver is being diseased, it is unable to remove or break down these toxicity of these chemicals, and they will in turn attacking the nerve cells, and that will make you to start experiencing itchiness of your human body. The seventh sign is some digestive issues like vomiting, nausea, loss of appetite. Now, most people with liver disease might have these kind of digestive issues. This is because the liver is part of the digestive system, and when it's being compromised, it affects your digestive system. The eighth sign is stool changes. So you begin experiencing pale stool. You see, when you pass stool, it should be something like a light brown or brownish in color. However, when you pass stool and you notice that the stool is pale, it might be an indication that your liver is being compromised. This is because it is the liver that helps to produce bile, and bile contains something we call bilirubin. If the liver is being compromised, it is unable to produce this bile, which contains the bilirubin, making the stool that kind of brownish nature. So indirectly, your stool will start becoming pale if your liver is being compromised. The ninth sign is confusion, lack of concentration, and sometimes coma. You see, when the liver is being diseased and there's buildup of this kind of toxic substance inside the human body, this kind of toxic substance can end up entering the brain. Yes, because it is in the blood and the blood is being supplied to all parts of the body. So when these toxic substances end up in the brain, they will start affecting the brain, and that can lead to the confusion, lack of concentration, and sometimes you can go unconscious, leading to coma. The tenth sign is dark colored urine. If you start noticing that your urine is very, very dark, it might be an indication that your liver is being compromised. This is because when the liver is being diseased, you start leaking bilirubin directly inside your urine, and that changes your urine color, making it that dark color. Then the last sign that I would want you to know is weight loss. If you're one kind of person that you have been battling with weight loss for a very long period of time, it might be an indication that probably your liver is being compromised. This is because one thing I said earlier is that the liver helps to store excess glucose in the form of glycogen, which when you are in need of energy, your body will convert the glycogen back to glucose for you to get energy. However, when the liver is being compromised or diseased, it is unable to store this excess glucose in the form of glycogen. So always you feel this kind of easy fatigability and your body is always in need of energy. So that indirectly can lead to you having weight loss. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video and then share this video to many people.